Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you are already aware, it is again a haul time, and this one is going to be an Amazon haul specifically for all the purchases that I did around the Independence Day sale. They had amazing Prime sale as well. Independence Day offers were going and it was raining offers on Amazon. So I grabbed onto a couple of things and I will be sharing that with you in this video. So if hauls are your things, Amazon hauls are your things, make sure you stick until the end because I have got a whole bunch of products to show you. I have all collated those stuffs in this box because all orders were delivered separately, so I put it in one box so that I can show it to you. But before we see what all I have purchased, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now let's dive into the box and check out all the amazing finds this time. Before we see what's all are inside the Amazon box, let me quickly share what's on my lips today. So I'm wearing a very affordable lipstick. This is the L18 Color Pop lipstick. It is in the shade called R32. The writing is super tiny. It's a very pretty red shade and this is how it looks like, and this is what's on my lips today. It's a very beautiful color. It's universally flattering shade. Everyone can wear it and rock it. So this is what is on my lips today, and this is super affordable. This is like what, rupees 95 or something. 100 is the mark price, and I'm sure I got this at 95 or something. So yeah, discounts are always there on L18 lipsticks and all that stuff. Even in local markets you will get these, so the availability is never an issue. The color is R32. With that covered, so let's dive into this huge Amazon box and see what all I have purchased. Okay, so the first thing is a repeat purchase. This is the L'Oreal's acetone free nail polish remover. I am a nail polish addict, so nail polishes are something that's always going to be part of my life, and you need removers when they get chipped and they look bad and all that stuff. So this one was available on discount. This initially retails for rupees 125 and you usually get it around 100 or 110 on discount. But I paid rupees 94 this time, so I was very happy. So I restocked upon this one, and this is kind of a need. Next is also a need-based product, although I don't like the packaging to be very honest, but yeah, this is a liquid sindoor from Inside Cosmetics. I have used the liquid sindoor from Lotus. I liked it, and this time I have quite a lot of Insights products to talk about as well. This is how the liquid sindoor looks like. It almost looks like a liquid lipstick. It says it's waterproof, it's red, but what I don't like is the rose embossed on top, the golden rose. Not my thing, to be very honest. That's why I didn't like it. Nonetheless, this serves my purpose. This is an essential commodity since I am married and I like to wear sindoor. That's why I prefer dry sindoor, but this is actually for the times when I go out and I can't carry my dry sindoor every time, so liquid sindoors can come handy that time. So that is what this was for. This initially retails for rupees 70 and I got it at rupees 65, so rupees 5 less. Next up, I have two nail polishes from Insight. You will see a lot of Insight in this video. Insight is very affordable, so yeah, and they had discounts, so I just was excited to try these stuff. So this is the first color that I have from the nail polish range. This is in the number 348. They don't have any name for it, and this is something I'm wearing today. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful color. It will suit all skin types. So this is kind of a maroon wine, somewhere in between color, and this is stunning. So this is the first nail polish. This retails for rupees 65. I didn't get any discount on this, but I got 5 rupees less on this one. This cost 60, and this is in the number. Oh, the number is torn off. Great. Oh no, it's in 34. Yeah. It's right here. Yeah, so it's a nude color, nude brown color, very much the kind that I enjoy. So that is it for the nail polish is concerned. Next is a product that I have been eyeing for ages, and I always see this out of stock on Nykaa, and that is the Color Bar Blenditude Sponge in the black variant. I have seen so many people use it, and it's supposed to work wonders when it comes to blending. So I wanted to try this up. This by itself retails for rupees 199. However, I paid rupees 149 for this one, and I'm supremely excited to have this so I can try it on and let you know maybe how it fares compared to my favorite, which is the e.l.f. Cosmetics makeup sponge. So yeah. Next I have a lipstick from Lakme. This is the Cushion Matte lipstick, and this is in the variant Pink Blush, and I'll show you how the packaging looks like. So this is the standard packaging for the Lakme's Cushion Matte lipsticks, and the color name and the shade are not gelling together because this is called this is called Pink Blush, and this is a peachy nude. I don't associate the name Pink Blush with this color, to be very frank, so not very happy with the naming and the coloring and all that. Let me give you a quick swatch of this color. Okay, this is very smooth. This is how Pink Blush looks like. It's a very pretty nude shade. Looking forward to use this. And this one retails for rupees 275, and I paid rupees 192 for this one, so extremely happy with this purchase. I have one more lipstick from Insight, and this is in their non-transfer lip color range. This is in the shade Molten Pink. I will show you how it looks like and also give you a swatch. This is how Molten Pink looks like. Okay, so this is a standard applicator. It is a beautiful shade. Look at this. This is Molten Pink. This lipstick itself retails for rupees 90, and I paid rupees 75. Can you imagine? Within 100 you get such a stunning shade, and it's very comfortable on the hand. It doesn't feel like anything. So I just hope this works wonders on the lips as well. So love this, loving every product from Insight so far. I have another product, and this is something I saw Shivani Taneja I guess showing in her one of the Amazon hauls. This is the liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Angelic Beauty. This one I didn't get any discount, but okay, there is no smell, but wow, the pigmentation is awesome. Just look at this. Such a beautiful highlighter. We'll see. Shall I dare to? I already have highlighter, so it's not showing. I will be using it on its own one day, and I'll tell you how this fares. This one retails for 99, and I paid 99 only, which is just fine. 100 rupees for a liquid highlighter. I wanted to try. I rarely try liquid product. I have oily skin, so I stay away from liquid products when it comes to face, apart from the foundation, concealer stuffs. But yeah, that is it. I'll try and let you know how I feel about it. So far I'm loving Insight products. Another thing I picked up is Insight's makeup spray fixer, but I'm not very happy with the packaging because it came open like this. So that is something I don't like, and this is how the bottle looks like. So we'll use it up. I right now already have a makeup fixer of the Wet n Wild applied on my face. That's why I'm not wearing this at this point. Maybe in some future tutorial, and I will try this and I'll let you know how I feel about it. This one has got 75 ml of product. This retails for rupees 170, and I paid rupees 157 for this one. So yeah, looking forward to use these, of course. Next I have another liquid lipstick from Lakme. This is in the Forever Matte range, and this is in the color Nude Dream. The writing is super tiny. This is called Nude Dream. Just the kind of color I enjoy. I love how sleek the packaging is. It's a beautiful color. So this is how Nude Dream looks like. It's a mauvey nude. It's beautiful. This one retails for rupees 295, and I paid rupees 206, so got discount on this one as well. This doesn't feel anything on my hands. It's so comfortable. So really looking forward to use these liquid lipsticks. Okay, then I have a very popular product, and I'm very disappointed with the packaging. I don't know how it will fare finally, but this is the Insights Pore Minimizer Primer. I have oily skin, so my pores are huge. I always look for silicone based primers or pore minimizers like this one. This reminds me, the packaging reminds me of Balm's packaging, but just look at this. This is how it came for me. See? Not very happy with this packaging part, but yeah, this is the tiny tube. This is a 10 ml product that I have purchased. I don't know if you have a bigger variant for this one as well. Okay, so I managed to bring it together and put it like this. Very upset about the packaging, how it was delivered. Not happy, but yeah, I will try this one. I have seen people rave about these. This one by itself retails at rupees 210. I paid rupees 194, so yeah, little discount, but still discount is there. Okay, next up I have a combo of eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution. I know I don't share a lot of makeup tutorials because I'm not sure whether you'll be interested in watching those or not. I do it at times, I don't get extremely good response, so it doesn't motivate me, but I love eyeshadows and makeup by itself. That's why I reach out for products now and then, and I want to share you because you love to watch hauls. That's what I have understood. But if you do love to watch, would want to watch makeup looks created through this palette, let me know in the comment section and I'll do it. This is the combo 2 that I have purchased. This is in the variant called Hypnotic. This is in the variant called Red Alert. I am always a fan of Makeup Revolution makeup products, and specifically eyeshadow palettes, and whenever they go on discount I grab onto them. I already have a nice collection, but yeah. So let me know if you want to see looks created with these. The mark price for this together is 1900 and I paid rupees 950. So it was a steal deal. I just couldn't miss. So here are the 2 palettes that I purchased from Makeup Revolution. I have one more eyeshadow palette, and that is from Mars. I have never ever tried Mars products before. This is the first time. And this is the Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette, and this looks a stunning riot of colors. I rarely have color schemes like this in my collection when such a pop of color like yellow and all is there. I quite like it how this looks like. Let me give you a swatch. So this is how the colors look like. These are just one stroke. Fingers are also colored with these colors. So I'm sure if you blend it up, okay, the purples are very good. The blue, the green shimmery one is superbly pigmented. The yellow is well. So quite impressed with this, and given the price point I am extremely happy. This one by itself retails for rupees 349 and I paid rupees 299, 300 for this one. So next I have this makeup blender from Mars. This is supposed to be a great one, as I thought I will also try it. This retails for rupees 299 and I paid rupees 199, so 200 bucks. So 300 is the mark price, I paid 200. Let me see, because I already was happy with the color bar blenditude being available. Then I saw this as well and thought it's okay, let me try, because I have I can actually do a battle of brands when it comes to makeup sponges, because I also purchased the Perfume one. This is a microfiber makeup sponge, and every YouTuber, influencer, beauty influencer have been raving about this on Instagram as well as YouTube. And that time it was not on discount, and I don't like paying full price for anything, so I thought yes, I will try this now that I got it on discount. This one retails for rupees 660 and I paid rupees 585 for this, so not a huge amount of discount. Nonetheless, this is still on discount, so I will try these ones, and if you want I can do a competition, a battle of brands of all the makeup sponges that I have at this point. I have one lipstick again from Mars, and this is in the shade Everyday Nude. This is in the yeah, this is how the bullet looks like, and this is in the shade Everyday Nude. The writing is super tiny, and nude colors are my jam, and this is how it looks like. I will quickly give you a swatch of this. Oh, it's buttery soft. Just look at this color. It's stunning. It's amazing. Wish I could apply. No, it won't show. The red is too overpowering, but the texture is like butter. It's beautiful. Okay, but there is a bit discrepancy when it comes to the bullet, and it's retracting. It was stuck once, so yeah. Anyway, I love the packaging. Sides are somewhat dented and has got a nice design. I didn't get any discount on this one. This one retails for $2.79. I paid same as well. It's anyways quite affordable, so might as well, I thought I'll go about it. I have one highlighter again from Mars, and I was floored by the packaging of this highlighter. Just look at this. This is, first of all, this is magnetic. I didn't expect magnetic here. You get a great size mirror here, and this is how the rose gold highlighter looks like. I don't have rose gold highlighter at all, so I am extremely excited to try this one. It feels like butter, and let me give you a swatch. Where should I swatch it? Wow, just look at this stunning highlighter. It's beautiful. See, this one, the golden one blends beautifully, and this one, I don't know if I blend it out, it will be quite pretty. Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow, the formula is good, the packaging is amazing, and this one retails for also $2.49. It's not on discount. I paid full price for it, but I don't regret it. It's beautiful, and considering the packaging and the quality of the highlighter you're getting, $2.49 is nothing. I mean, considering if you compare highlighters with Becca's Champagne Pop and all, this is nothing. So yeah, that's another. Finally, I have one perfume, and this is something I wish to review soon. Somebody wanted to know about chocolate perfumes. I don't own any perfumes that is per se chocolate. I like gourmand fragrances, mostly towards vanilla, praline and all that line, but rarely towards chocolate. So I don't own it, so I thought I'll purchase one, and I've got this chocolate fantasy perfume. If you have used, you have used this perfume, let me know in the comment section how it fares for you. This is from a brand called CFS, and I love how the bottle looks like. This is how the bottle looks like. The scent is nice as well. I don't know how it will last on my skin, or how I will finally feel about it, but yeah, this is purchased for you who wanted to know about chocolate fragrances and how they fare and all that stuff. I will definitely test it out and review and get back. So this is one perfume that I got this time. This one actually retails for ₹290, but I had to pay shipping, so together I paid ₹360 something for this one. So watch out for this review. And with that, I got one free product, and this one I definitely love, is a True Man Blue, this small mini perfume. It's a typical fresh aquatic fragrance. It's nice. There is nothing dramatically different about it. It's pretty common. It's nice. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this. So yes, I have covered everything that I have purchased from Amazon during their Independence Day sale and the Prime Day sale that time. So if you enjoyed watching this haul, make sure you give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section what all have you purchased during Amazon's Independence Day sale and the Prime Day sale that time, and if you have purchased any from these. So whatever your thoughts and opinions are on this haul, make sure you mention it in the comment section below, and we'll get the comment section chatty. And if you have any other request ideas out of these, if you want to see makeup looks, let me know. If you want to get the perfume review first, let me know. I will do it accordingly. And you'll get all the product links in the description box below in case you want to check it out and buy. You will get the references there. And before you leave this video, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. You can also connect with me on social media platform. All the details are there in the description box below and at the end of this video. So make sure you check it out and we can stay connected there as well. And that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.